Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Driving in Jamaica. Today we're driving on Washington Boulevard and we're going to look at some of the areas, the neighborhoods of Washington Boulevard. So we just turned right into Pembroke Hall. Pembroke Hall is a residential area. On the right, that's the Boulevard Supercenter, which is a mall, one of the more popular malls in Jamaica. We're going to drive through there in a little bit, but we're just going to take a quick drive through Pembroke Hall. Now, Pembroke Hall is a residential area. When you think of Pembroke Hall, the most popular thing that pops up is the Pembroke Hall High School. It's one of the top schools in Jamaica, and they are also famous for an incident with a teacher and a student getting into an altercation. Okay, we just passed the school on the right. Pembroke Hall is a large area, a lot of houses. It's like a middle income area in Jamaica. On the right you can see it's a park, there is a park. And anytime you see a park in an area, you know it's a very friendly place, nice place to raise your kids. Also when you think of Pembroke Hall, another popular place is the Pembroke Hall Church. We're going to drive by there now and take a look. As you can see, a lot of homes in the area. So when you find such a large residential area, it's only natural that you're going to find malls and a lot of stores close by, like a supermarket close by. Okay, this is the Methodist Church, the Pembroke Hall Methodist Church, which is one of the more popular churches in Jamaica. Very famous, very historic. Like they're having some kind of service, so we're not going to disturb them. Alright, so we're going to head back down to the mall and take a drive through the mall. This is a general overview of the Pembroke Hall area. Persons always ask what's the crime like in these areas, but it's not that bad because they have a police station in the area. So anytime you find a police station is actually in the area, you don't have much crime. Okay, so we're now driving out of Pembroke Hall towards the Boulevard Supercenter. the left is the Pembroke Hall High School. On the left is the Boulevard Supercenter. We're going to turn right and go into another section of Pembroke Hall. And then we come back and go through the mall. Just trying to give you an idea of how big Pembroke Hall is. Alright, so we're going to head back up towards the mall now. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.